Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate marketing tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to join a Casio affiliate program and how you can start promoting Casio watches. Now, if you go here on the Casio website, this is official website for United States, as you can see right here. And if you scroll down right here, we'll be able to see that Casio does not actually have an affiliate or affiliate program right here. So basically what you can do is you can go to the Google and just type in Casio affiliate program. And as you can see, this is the first link. It's an official link from Casio. You can actually go to their website and you will land on this website right here. As you can see, I just need to refresh it right here. Or I need to go to this link and then just click this link right here, as you can see. And here I can basically, as you can see, turn your passion for G-Shock into commissions by promoting the toughest watches in the industry. So you can actually promote G-Shock watches only. If you want to promote all Casio watches, you will need to find a retailer that has an affiliate deal with Casio. So how you can find that is you can just go to Google and type in Casio retailer affiliate program. And then you can basically go here and see for example, this affiliate program can be a good program for you. However, if you just want to go and promote it through Casio, you just need to click apply now here. And from there, you will need to obviously go and join this right here, the Avant link. This is like a affiliate network. You will just need to join them as a traditional publisher or affiliate that creates content, or if you're an influencer that is a bit bigger following, then you can go here and apply now for that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can join the Casio affiliate marketing or affiliate program. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.